Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove age restrictions on YouTube so you can watch content without any interruptions. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Age restrictions are often applied when you're not logged in or if your account shows you're under 18. So to update your birth date, go to your Google account settings. Here on the bottom right corner of your screen, click this U icon, Google account. Once you're in your Google account, go to personal info. Scroll it down until you find your birthday. So if you're under 18 and you want to remove age restrictions, just change your birthday and update the year. Once you update it, it's done. The second thing that you will do is go to YouTube settings. On the U icon again, click the settings icon, general. Here in restricted mode, just turn it off and that's it. You should now be able to watch age-restricted content without issues. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.